Good morning. Happy Thursday it is. How are you guys doing? How is wellness month so far? How are you enjoying all the workouts? I always feel like people, ask like, how are you? And it's just like, oh yeah, good. How are you really today? I will go first because nobody gonna send me a video back right now. I honestly feel a little run down. I don't know if you can hear. I just woke up, it's also early. It's like 7 a.m. Kind of clogged and stuff. I did a little COVID test last night at home. It was no COVID, so I think it's just a little bit of a cold. It's probably lack of sleep. We've just been like really busy with Yokohama, with our launch last week. Actually, I was thinking maybe we should do like some fun events in LA, like where we bring like community together, like make matcha or something like that. I will brainstorm about that a little later. For today, I was actually gonna go out for a workout this morning, but because I feel a little run down, I'm like, I don't think that's a good idea. So I'm just gonna go for a walk. The sun is out today. I always feel like vitamin D immediately just gives me instant energy. I just feel so much better, and I should incorporate this in my like daily routine, but can't do that. So I'm going to do that right now. This afternoon I'm gonna go to a little wellness event hosted by Alyssa. Yeah, busy today. So I'm gonna finish up my matcha. I made it with a tiny bit of oat milk. I always like that better in the morning. Yeah, let's stretch and get ready. Crisp morning today, especially on the west side. It's been like this marine layer, so it hasn't been as nice as normally, but sun is out. I forgot my headphones, which is not very smart, but I guess I will just enjoy the peaceful. All right. I literally get questions every single day about what I do for my hair health, because my hair is also naturally like pretty dry. Obviously I take my Nutrafol hair supplements, and then I love this Olaplex. It's kind of like a leave-in styling cream slash conditioner, and just makes your hair ends look like very healthy. So I'm gonna add this in there. So you only need a tiny little dot, rub it in, press it in the hair ends for healthy hair. And then I just like brush it through, and immediately it's so much easier to brush through, and it will dry like nicer and healthier. Oops. One of those days. Hello.
Hey. You know what I want to do? Sleep. And just cuddle with you all day.
So now I feel awake, alive, and my cold is also gone. So this morning did wonders. I actually got some new activewear in from Gymshark, and today's video is actually sponsored by Gymshark. I want to share a couple of their new fits because they have a crazy sale going on. I'm also gonna pick a outfit for today's event, but I just want to show you some of my favorite styles. Okay, I get so much gym wear scents from so many brands. There's nothing compared to the fit of Gymshark. You can see it here. The fabric is kind of thick and very high quality. It just gives your body such a nice shape. Kind of like holds everything together, which feels really good while you're working out. If that's cardio, if you are doing Pilates, or if you're doing weight training. So this is one of the first sets I really like. This is like a padded top, so if you have like smaller boobs like me, it just gives again a nice shape. If you have bigger boobs, it will give a really nice support. And then these kind of shorts, super simple, very easy to like combine and things like that. This is another really cute look I love. There's like long sleeve pink top. It has like a detail in the back here, and I combined it with these lime green biker shorts. On their website you can do a lot of mix and matching because they have so many different styles and so many different colors available. Their pricing is actually really, really good. This was the most surprising to me. And on top of that, they have up to 70% off their website right now, which is insane. I always feel like I'm just way more motivated when I have new like workout stuff and when I like feel really cute. Okay, this is a longer legging style, kind of light pink. You see what color I really like. Really nice fit. Has this like tight long leggings, and then it has this padded bra. Has a little bit of like cute like texture. I don't know why, but like your butt just looks like really good in these type of leggings. Also obsessed with this style. Again, it has like long sleeve. This is a dark green. It also has these little things, so you can put your hands in there, and then these little shorts. I believe this also comes with a longer legging if you want, in the same color, so you can like switch it up again. Very cute. Okay, Alyssa just texted me and she asked everyone to wear black for the workout event today. Good timing that my last look is black. I feel you can never go wrong with a good black set in your closet. It has like 3/4 leggings and has some like cute details right here. And again, like a padded bra. Honestly, you can just throw a jacket over it and just like walk around. I actually got a really cute teddy jacket. This one is also Gymshark. This is my favorite trend ever because it's just like always warm and cozy. So this one I actually wear a size medium because I like a little oversized. Bottoms I wear a size extra small and tops a small. I will link all the outfits in the description down below so you can go check it out. On their website from Thursday 18 November they have up to 70% discount. Definitely go check it out. Find some new workout gear. Join Wellness Month. Keep me posted how it's going. I'm really hot right now. I'm going to do a little work on the computer. Fun stuff, emails, and then in about an hour I'm gonna go to West Hollywood for a little event. I'm gonna make a little breakfast. I did a little meal prep. I think I'm gonna go for the overnight oats. This is actually a recipe from my meal prep video. And then I'm going to put oishi berries in here. I don't know if you guys ever heard about these, but these are omakase berries. One strawberry is $8. I will tell you a little bit more about this. Let's see, what else do we want? Some pomegranate. Yum. I don't know if you've ever heard about the oishi berry. Basically, the fruits in Japan are insanely delicious. You can buy like melons, which are literally like $80 or something. It's crazy, but when you take a bite, it's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Oishi berries is actually has like a lot of like indoor farming technology, so they're able to create these like perfection strawberries. It's actually best to leave them on like room temp after you take them out of the fridge, but I'm actually gonna eat one right now. Like, whoa. Words can just not describe this. This is what a perfect strawberry is supposed to taste like. It's just like a flavor explosion. It's so, so delicious. Anyway, really cool. You should look them up. I'm gonna make a quick little breakfast and get some work done. I also bought literally my favorite fall fruit, persimmons. They're still super hard. I wonder how long it takes for them to ripen. Nothing is worse than an unripe persimmon. 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 Persimmon? Persimmon? I don't know how to pronounce it. Make some oats. Yum. And we got a little breakfast ready. Kind of looks like the pancakes I made a little while ago, but delicious. I just got in the car. There's a lot of traffic.
Lights.
Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna be a little late. I'm like a terrible driver in LA. Or maybe I'm not a terrible driver. Other people are terrible drivers. And everyone just goes like so fast, and I don't know, it just like really scares me. Also because there's just like a lot of lanes, a lot of traffic. I'm glad that we have the car because you can barely get any Ubers here in LA. It's just, you need to wait sometimes for like 15 or 20 minutes, which is really crazy. But I enjoy driving. I put a little podcast on. Actually, I often call friends. That's what I do. Or people I need to chat with or whatever. It's like an amazing time to just call someone up, catch up, I would say. Just gonna say hi to everyone. All the squad, matchy matchy. We're here running slash walking. We're gonna head back and get a little wellness treatment. We have some delicious food. And we have the crust one. Really?
Actually, so they completely flat.
This is Sanne's first one.
No way.
Yeah, I've never done this before.
I've only done GT. What's the longest I've done? Like 2 minutes?
3.5 minute one.
Okay.
You used to do this every day, no?
Every day.
Fucking crazy. Freezing cold. They're still in it. Oh my god. Wow, you guys! That was insane, you guys. Oh my god, I am still freezing cold. You can see my hands, they still look a little purple. That was so much fun. I don't know, it's kind of crazy. I've been living in LA for 2 years, 1.5 years, and I've never done like these type of things. There's so many of these like wellness treatments and like ice baths and cryotherapy and all of it. I really enjoyed it. It was really cool because we first practiced on like Wim Hof like breathing, and I've actually done some like of his breathing exercises and not programs, but like a 10-minute there or whatever. So you're using that breath and the calmness going into this ice bath. So you're controlling your breath, and this way you're able to sit in there for longer. I was kind of a because after 3 minutes I was like, okay, I need to get out, and the others stayed in for about like 6, which was insane. I need to do some shopping right now, and then yeah, go back home. We're doing big holiday shoots for Yokohama next week, so I need to buy like all the props and things like that. Whoops, camera down. So I just took a shower and I made already some dinner. This is like a mustard seed turmeric curry. It's like very like warm and filling. And I also made a little bit of rice, so this will be dinner for tonight. I'm going to do a little taste test. It's really good. It could have had a little bit more of like a spice or kick, but I can really not eat spicy food anymore because my stomach hurts so much when I do, so better just to avoid it. I need to get a lot of work done, and I also need to clean up my bedroom a little. Tonight we have some guests over here, and I was like, that's a good moment to put my new rug underneath my bed. This is what the bedroom looks right now. I used to have a really big knitted rug, but with the new bed, the drawers, I'm not able to open up the drawers. So I was like, okay, I need more like a thinner. So I got one from Burke Decor, and it got in yesterday, and I haven't seen it yet. I thought it would be nice to put it under the bed, but there's no way Max and I can lift the bed together because they're about 90 shoes underneath in the drawers, and the mattress is heavy, the wood. Tonight if we have some manpower. So yeah, I'm going to clean up all my stuff a little. One of the habits which have really helped me to just have more of like a clean mind is keeping my space clean. I find it kind of challenging, especially when you're like running around a lot. And you know, I'm living in my apartment, I'm working out of my apartment, basically do everything out of my apartment. Many of you have experienced this during the pandemic too. It just gets messy so fast. So I just like need to remind myself to constantly keep up with it and not let things pile up, because I just notice I feel more relaxed and I feel more like productive when my space is kind of clean. So yeah, I have a ton of laundry there, so I'm just gonna clean up some stuff. Yay! Okay, let me grab some scissors. I would bed for $100. At first, Max is not gonna like my rug, and then after a while, you're gonna like it.
Hi, lady.
Maybe not.
Him up.
It's a mission. Zero to 10, what do you think?
What do you think it is?
I like it, it's an 8. What rug would you choose here?
I agree with you.
Say the number if you agree with it.
8?
Really?
I agree with you.
I want to create space where you can be honest.
That is not the way to do that.
Well, we can't lift the bed. It's just way too heavy. Yeah, we're having a little bit of difficulties putting my rug, which I actually really like. One man down. Okay, we're gonna put it all back. I am like dying, literally. Out of the blue, I have such insane cramps. I feel this happens every month where I'm like, oh, I feel tired, I feel run down, and then literally I'm on my period and I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot I'm gonna be on my period. I normally don't really have giant cramps and a lot of pain, which I'm so lucky about, but now I'm literally about to cry and I'm like, I don't know what to do. I might just like take some Advil or something, or take a hot bath. I just feel like very uncomfortable in my own body right now. Anyway, I actually have a little bit of a question for you guys. I noticed lately, even though I don't like want to feel this way, whenever I like scroll a lot on social media, like I kind of get like more of a negative feeling, and I don't know if it's just like a negative feeling about myself or whatever, but I feel this mainly on Instagram, and I have been like, you know, more selective in like what type of accounts I follow, who I follow, like funny things for entertainment, or people who inspire me, or people I think like lift me up, or people who give nice tips and things like that. Also like before bed and after bed, like not looking on Instagram. But I don't know, I feel like obviously my position is also kind of hard because it's also my job. It's not that I have to, but I choose to have it, and I choose to be very active on it. So like I feel I kind of I don't know, I just find it kind of hard. I do enjoy spending time on social media. I think it's an amazing platform to always like see things and fun, and like I don't know, it's sometimes like finding a hard balance in there. I don't know if you've like experienced the same sometime, and like what you do like about it. I just wanted to let you know that you are probably not the only one if you are experienced this, that I feel sometimes the same way, and that's okay. I don't know, I think it's just sometimes good to like sit in that emotion too, and to kind of just be conscious about it and to be aware of it. So whenever I start to feel that way, that I don't know, can scroll away or things like that. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little day in the life today. Bummer that my rug is not working, but one of my next video is going to be holiday recipe video, which is going to be really fun, and I'm excited to share that. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon.